Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Sliver 5, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So as you can see, at some point of initializing stop process, the following screen may pop up, and if you forgot your Google password and email, there is a way to solve this problem. So let me show you how to do it. At the very beginning, let's just simply activate the keyboard, and let's use this key right here in that corner. Let's hold down on this key and choose here settings. Now let's here find and select About Swift key. Choose here Open Source License, and let's highlight some word. So let's hold on some word and let's use this loop in that corner. Alright, now as you can see, you can use the following searcher, so that's what we need. Let's here type in settings. As you can see, the settings pops up. Let's open the settings, and now it's good to enable the developer options. So let's tap About Phone, scroll down, let's tap a couple of times on build number, let's go back. You are now a developer. Here choose developer options, and from the following developer, let's use the OEM unlocking. Tap enable, let's go back, and now we need to simply perform the hard reset by using settings. So let's choose backup and reset, select factory data reset, and select reset phone. Choose erase everything to accomplish that operation, and wait until everything will be completed. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, so now let me try to easily activate this device. Let's go next. Let me skip inserting SIM card, skip also connecting to a Wi-Fi. Let's tap skip anyway. It's a good sign that we can skip it. Tap next a couple of times. Tap skip, skip anyway. Alright, tap here more and next. And that's it. As you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that you just activate your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.